The electoral cycle towards the general election scheduled for the 9th of August 2022 has already begun. And if it has begun, it is improper, it's unlawful, it's unconstitutional for anybody to seek to amend the Elections Act. There are three significant attempts being made in the bill that seeks to amend the Elections Act. One, they seek to remove the electronic aspect of transmitting data from the polling station to the constituency tallying center simultaneous with the national tallying center. What is the effect of that? The effect of that is one, is to reduce the fact of transmission of election results to manual. And when you reduce it to manual, you make it susceptible to rigging. Number two, they have sought to remove the requirement in the Act that mandates IBC to maintain a portal which will display the results as and when they are received. And this portal is supposed to be accessible to the public and more fundamentally to the media.
Regular report. Iria yokire thutha wa ngui nene mwaka wa 2007 2008 no kiwa kaundu kamwe igitwira Kenya mwenda thayo mutikana hitukia watho urahutia githurano mwaka wa githurano tondu mweka uguo kiria mureka ni ngui murabanga na no nyende kuuga ati ona murongoria wa watho ucio ni ahititie ha turerwo ati transmission ya results ati ikorogoryo na kindu gitagwo manual ririkana ikuria tumite umuthi uyu muririkane ta Kenya gutie mutare thimu yake umuthi uyu Kenya twi digital tutire analog no hako hena mundu urera tucoke kuria twaimite kwa analog nigetha hihi akorwo ena maundu ma guthukia githurano